Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 17th, 2025, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.13. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.59%. This equates to an average return of 0.29% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating that further increases may occur within this trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of approximately 5.39% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 1.80% to 10.13%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of about 22.03% over the next year, with expected returns between 11.47% and 27.16%. This would translate to a price range between $585.01 to $667.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price ended at $524.80 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.586%. The QQQ ETF price rose by 0.586% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025. It increased from $521.74 to $524.80. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.14%, reaching a low of $520.06 and a high of $525.97. The price has shown volatility during this period, with a total gain of 1.2% over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 28 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $11.75 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 2.66%, or $14.35, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Recent discussions surrounding the Invesco QQQ exchange-traded fund are shaped by various factors that influence investor sentiment. Comparisons with other exchange-traded funds, such as Vanguard Information Technology ETF and Schwab U.S. Large Cap Growth ETF, have garnered attention as investors evaluate their options for potential growth in a challenging market, particularly as growth stocks have been affected by rising treasury yields. With the earnings season on the horizon, the expectation of positive fourth-quarter earnings reports could bolster the appeal of the QQQ, potentially alleviating concerns for cautious investors. The ongoing emphasis on technology and growth stocks within this fund continues to draw interest, especially considering the anticipated surge in artificial intelligence investments expected by the year 2025. As conversations about market dynamics progress, including speculation on Federal Reserve policy, investors are contemplating whether to invest in NASDAQ exchange-traded funds following recent declines. The QQQ has established itself as one of the foremost index-based exchange-traded funds, sparking dialogue about its long-term investment potential. Short-term fluctuations in response to earnings and economic indicators may present buying opportunities. Nevertheless, in the long term, QQQ's strong performance history and its alignment with forthcoming trends in technology and artificial intelligence suggest resilience and potential for growth. Investors might find that holding a position in QQQ aligns well with both current market conditions and future economic possibilities. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $513.45 and $519.48. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.9%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, even with rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. When we examine the chart over the past 12 months, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 91 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $5.91 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.14%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.48%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQ, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A comparatively low PE ratio may indicate either low future expectations for the company or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $529.92. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $502.70, which represents a decline of 4.21%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 4 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, we expect QQQ to open down by $1.19 and start trading at $523.61. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.